Now let's simplify 5 whole number 1 over 4 minus 3 whole number 3 over 5. We have two mixed fractions here with different denominators. So the first thing is to bring them to improper fraction. So we have 5 whole number 1 over 4, which will now become 4 times 5 plus 1 over 4, which will give us 20 plus 1 over 4, that is 21 over 4. And for the second fraction, we have 3 whole number 3 over 5, which will become 5 times 3 plus 3 over 5, which will give us 15 plus 3 over 5. That is, we have 18 over 5. Now we have to do 21 over 4 minus 18 over 5. So the first thing we do here now is to find the LCM of 4 and 5. LCM of 4 and 5. And since both of them do not have any common factor, that is, we can just say 4 multiplied by 5, and then our LCM will be 20. Now that we have the LCM, we change each of these fractions, finding their equivalent such that 20 will be the common denominator. So for the first fraction, 21 over 4. This will become, now 4 multiplied by 5 is what gives 20. So we multiply both by 5. So 21, the numerator will be 21 times 5 over, the denominator will be 4 times 5. 21 times 5 would give us 105. And 4 times 5 will give us 20. And then the second fraction, we have 18 over 5. This will become 18 times, now 5 times 4 is what makes 20. So the numerator will be multiplied by 4 and the denominator also by 4. To give us, the denominator is 20. Now 18 times 4. 4 times 8, that's 32. 2, carry the 3. 4 times 1, 4 plus 3, that is 7. So 72 over 20. Now we need to perform 105 over 20 minus 72 over 20. Now, when we perform that, 105 over 20 minus 72 over 20. You draw your division line and write down the common denominator. So we will now have 105 minus 72. And when we subtract this, we would have 33 over 20. So we bring this to mixed fraction. 20 will go in 33 once with a remainder of 13. So 1 whole number 13 over 20. We can then conclude by saying 5 whole number 1 over 4 minus 3 whole number 3 over 5 would give us 1 whole number 13 over 20. And that's the solution to the problem. Thank you.